Hello grade 10 students! Welcome sa first part video lesson ng grade 10 Mathematics. I am Teacher MHACK and join me here in our discussion. Ang ating most essential learning competency for week 6 quarter 1 ng Mathematics 10 ay perform division of polynomials using long and synthetic method. At simulan natin ang talakayan ito sa division of polynomials using the long method. So how can we easily get or determine the quotient and the remainder of the given polynomials? Tingnan natin ang magiging kasagutan gamit ng long division sa ganitong ayos. For our first example, we have 10x squared plus 10x plus 21 divided by x plus 7. Our quotient is equal to x plus 3 and the remainder is equal to 0. For the second example here, we have 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 2x plus 9 divided by 2x plus 3 is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 2, while the remainder is equal to 15. Kung titingnan nyo ang dalawang halimbawa na nasa inyong screen, maaari nyo masabi sa inyong sarili na masyadong komplikado, mahirap at masakit sa ulo ang long division. Pero alam nyo ba na mas magiging madali ito kung meron tayong kailangang sundin na steps? So nandito sa inyong screen ang steps sa pagdi-divide ng isang polynomial sa kapwa ng polynomial. Una, arrange the terms of the dividend and divisor in decreasing powers. If there are missing terms, write them with the coefficient 0. So the second step is divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to get the first term of the quotient. Step 3, multiply the result in step 2 by the divisor. And then proceed to the next step, which is subtract the result from step 3, bring down the next term of the dividend. And for step 5, repeat the entire process using the result in step 4 as the new dividend and express the result as quotient plus remainder over the divisor. So kung susundin lang natin ang lahat ng steps na ito, mas magiging madali sa atin ang makompute ang quotient at ang remainder. So simulan na natin sa dalawang halimbawa pa para inyong mas maunawaan ang pagsosolve ng polynomial using the long division. Let us divide the two given examples using the long method. 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. And for number 2, we have x cubed minus 4x divided by x plus 3. So, simulan natin sa unang halimbawa. 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. So, computein natin ito following the steps na ibinigay kanina. Ang ating first step, arrange the terms of the dividend and divisor in decreasing powers. There are missing terms, write them with the coefficient 0. So we have 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4. So kung titingnan natin ang kanyang exponent, we have 3, 2, 1, and the constant. So siya po ay nakaayos na in decreasing order, kaya wala na tayong kailangan. Okay. Tingnan naman natin ang divisor. We have x minus 3. So kung mapapansin nyo, 3, 2, 1, and then constant. So wala tayong missing term. So wala tayong kailangang palitan ng 0. So dumako na tayo sa susunod na step. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to get the first term of the quotient. So ang first term ng ating dividend is 2x cubed, while the first term of the divisor is equal to x. At kapag i-divide natin yung dalawa sa isa't isa, 2x cubed divided by x, the answer is equal to 2x squared. At ang 2x squared ay ilalagay natin sa tapat ng negative 3x squared. Bakit? Dahil po, sila ang may parehas na exponent. And then, pag nakuha na natin ito, dumako na tayo sa susunod step. Multiply the result in step 2 by the divisor. So 2x squared times x, ano kaya ang magiging sagot? Yes, we have 2x cubed. And 2x squared times negative 3 is equal to negative 6. Susunod natin solve. Next step, repeat the entire process using the result in step 4 as the new dividend. Our new dividend kasi di ba, ang exponent natin ay kailangan natin ibawas sa exponent ng divisor. So yung 2, pag binawasan natin ng 1, magiging 1, which is understood na hindi na natin sinusulat. So 3x squared divided by x again is equal to 3x. So same process, 3x multiply to x is equal to 3x squared. And 3x times negative 3 is equal to negative 9x. At ang subtrahend natin ay papalitan ulit natin ng symbol. So yung 3x squared ay magiging negative 3x squared at yung negative 9x naman ay magiging positive 9x. So 3x squared minus 3x squared is equal to 0 and negative x plus 9x is equal to 8x. So bring down ulit natin yung ating constant. So we have now over the divisor. So for our final answer, kukunin natin yung quotient na nasa taas at yung remainder na naiwan sa ibaba. So we have 2x squared plus 3x plus 8 plus 28, which is the remainder, over x minus 3, our divisor. Maliwanag po ba nung mag-aaral? So para mas maunawaan, tingnan pa natin ang susunod na halimbawa. Our second example is equal to x cubed minus 4x divided by x plus 3. So tingnan natin mabuti ang ating dividend. So we have x cubed minus 4x. So mapapansin natin dito na may nawawala tayong mga terms. So ang highest exponent dito ay 3 at ang kasunod na niya ay 1. So, nawawala dito yung 2 at saka yung ating constant. So, sabi nga din sa steps kanina, ating tinalakay, kapag may nawawalang term, ito ay papalitan natin na 0. So, let us write this in this manner. So we have x cubed plus 0 x squared, kasi nawawala yung ating 2 na exponent, minus 4x, and then yung constant ay papalitan din natin na 0 kasi dapat siya ay kumpleto at walang nawawala. X. So, yung negative 3x squared minus 4x ang bago na nating dividend. So, first term ng dividend ay i-divide natin sa first term ng ating divisor. So, negative 3x squared divided by x is equal to negative 3x. And negative 3x times x is equal to negative 3x squared. So, negative 3x times positive 3 is equal to negative 9x. Again, papalitan natin yung sign or yung symbol. Yung negative 3x squared ay magiging positive na siya at yung negative 9x ay magiging positive din po. So, subtract na natin siya. So, negative 3x squared plus 3x squared is equal to 0 and negative 4x plus 9x is equal to positive 5x. So, bring down 0. So, ang bago nating dividend ay 5x plus 0. So, plus 5, and then yung ating namang remainder na negative 15 over ang ating divisor na x plus 3. Again, so the final answer for this problem is x squared minus 3x plus 5 minus 15 over x plus 3. So ngayon, na mag-aaral, sigurado ako na naunawanan ninyo mabuti ang long division. Dahil sa puntong ito naman, dadako na tayo sa susunod na pamamaraan kung paano tayo mag-divide ng polynomial. At ito ay ang synthetic division. Tulad ng sa division of polynomials using the long method, pagdating po sa synthetic division ay meron din tayong kailangang sundin na steps. Una, write the numerical coefficients in one row. If there is a missing term, write 0 to represent the missing term. Write the test 0 at the left. Susunod naman, carry down the first number, multiply by test 0, and add the second column. Third step, add down the column. Now multiply the sum in the second column by the test 0. Fourth, write the product on the third column, then add. Repeat the steps for the column, multiply by the test 0, add the result on the next column, and subtract. Fifth, repeat the steps for the next column, multiply by the test 0, add the result to the next column until you reach the last column. And grade 10 student, always remember that the third row that we obtain represent the numerical coefficient of the term of the quotient. The degree to be used is 1 less than the degree of the dividend. The rightmost number is the remainder. At para mas maunawaan ninyo kung paano natin susundin ang mga steps na ito, let us divide each of the following using the synthetic division. So for the first example, we have 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. 2. X cubed minus 4x divided by x plus 3. And for number 3, we have 4x squared plus 3x plus x cubed minus 2 divided by x minus 3. So, simulan na natin sa unang halimbawa. For the first step, write the divider 3 and the coefficient of the dividend. So, isulat daw natin yung 3 as our divider. So, saan nanggaling yung 3? Yung 3 po ay nanggaling sa kabaliktaran or sa opposite ng negative 3. And the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. So, siya po yung ating magiging divider. And next is write the coefficient of the dividend. So, ano ba yung mga coefficients natin? The numerical coefficients. We have 2, negative 3, negative 1, and positive 4. So, isulat din daw natin siya. So, ganyan ang unang magiging ayos ng ating problem. Next, bring down the first number in the top to the bottom row. Isusulat natin or dadali natin sa ibaba yung 2. And the next step, multiply the first number 2 in the bottom row by the divider 3 to obtain 6. So 3 times 2 is equal to 6. At ang 6 po ay isusulat natin sa katapat ng negative 3. Followed by add 3 or negative 3 and 6 to obtain the second number in the bottom row. So negative 3 plus 6 is equal to positive 3. Multiply the 3 in the bottom row by the divider 3 to obtain 9. The second number in the middle row. Then add the column to obtain 8. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Isusulat naman natin siya sa second column na katapat ng negative 1. And negative 1 plus 9 is equal to positive 8. So same process lang po tayo. Multiply 8 by 3 to obtain 24. The last number in the middle row. Then add the number in the last column to obtain 28. So 4 plus 24 is equal to 28. And the entries in the bottom row are the numerical coefficient of the quotient and the remainder. So ang magiging quotient po natin sa problem na ito ay 2x squared. So yung 2, ito yung numerical coefficient, sinamahan natin ng x squared. So, bakit siya naging squared? Yung highest exponent po natin ay 3, ay babawasan po natin ng isa. So, ito na lang ay magiging 2 or yung tinatawag nating squared. So, we have 2x squared followed by
positive 3x, plus 8, our constant, at ang atin naman pong remainder ay 28. Maliwanag po ba, mga mag-aaral?
For our second example, we have x cubed minus 4x divided by x plus 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is get the opposite of the constant of our divisor. So ngayon, isulat natin ang numerical coefficient ng first term at ito ay ang 1. Next, dahil nawawala po ang may exponent ng 2, papalitan natin ito at dahil wala tayong constant sa ating given na dividend, ito ay lalagyan din natin ng 0. So ngayon, nakaayos na ang ating problem para masimulan ang synthetic division. So bring down 1 followed by negative 3 times 1 is equal to negative 3. At ito ay isusulat natin muli sa katapat ng 0 na matatagpuan sa second column. And 0 minus 3 is equal to negative 3. And negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to positive 9. At ang positive 9 naman ay susulat din natin sa second column na katapat ng negative 4. And negative 4 plus 9 is equal to positive 5. Next thing na gagawin natin ay 5 times negative 3 is equal to negative 15 na isusulat naman natin sa katapat ng dumako na tayo ngayon sa huli at ikatlo nating halimbawa. Mayroon tayong 4x squared plus 3x plus x cubed minus 2 divided by x minus 3. Kung inyong mapapansin ang ating dividend, ito ay hindi nakaayos sa tama nitong pagkakasunod-sunod. So bago natin ito isolve, iayos muna natin ito in
decreasing order. So mag-i-start tayo sa may pinakamataas na exponent at ito ay ang x cube. Susundan ng positive 4x squared. Next ay ang positive 3x. At ang panghuli naman ay ating constant na negative 2. So dahil dito, pwede na natin siyang iayos. At ang una nating gagawin ay kunin ang kabaliktaran ng constant ng ating divisor. At ang kabaliktaran ng negative 3 ay positive 3. So kunin naman natin ngayon ang numerical coefficient ng ating dividend. So simulan natin sa may pinakamataas na exponent or sa ating first term. At ito ay ang 1, followed by positive 4, positive 3, at negative 2. So dahil dito, pwede na natin simulan ang ating computation. So bring down 1, and 3 times 1 is equal to 3, at isusulat natin ito sa second column na katapat ng 4. And 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So next step, 3 times 7 is equal to 21. At ang 21 ay ilalagay muli natin sa second column na katapat naman ng positive 3. And positive 3 plus 21 is equal to 24. So 24 times 3 is equal to 72. So 72 minus 2 is equal to 70. So ang ating huling numero or last number for this problem is 70. So tingnan natin kung ano ang ating magiging final answer. So let us write x squared. Ito ang ating pong magiging bagong first term. So yung 1, hindi na muli natin isusulat. So ang highest exponent ay 3. So babawasan natin ng isa. Kaya ang magiging pinakamataas na exponent po natin sa ating quotient ay 2. So we have x squared. Then next po ay positive 7x. Followed by our constant na positive 24. And our remainder for this problem is equal to 70. So our quotient for this problem is x squared plus 7x plus 24, remainder 70. Sana po ay naging maliwanag sa inyo ang dalawang pamamaraan kung paano natin i-divide ang polynomial. At ito ay sa pamamagitan ng long division at ng synthetic division. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa susunod po nating video. Salamat!